The China equity markets right now. Winnie Wu is China equity strategist at BofA Securities, joining us from Hong Kong. Winnie, thanks so much for being here. Just firstly, it has been an incredibly volatile past week and a little bit when it does come to these China equities. Is this all short cover, or is there some real legs to the rally that we've been seeing of late?
We believe the rally has legs, even though throughout this rally, we have been asked by investors saying, is the easy trade being done? Is it time to take profit? I just sold this stock finally after the rebound. But we actually think, throughout this volatility, it's actually a good opportunity to buy into the weakness and ride on the rally. Because, we are seeing the most important shift in the policy, which is the COVID reopening, which means for the next 12, 18 months, economy-wise, we are likely to see a cyclical upturn. Corporate earnings will improve together with the economy, and investors' confidence on China will improve accordingly. So in terms of the rally, we believe, there are two phases, right? The first phase, we're trading the multiple re-rating, and then beyond that, we'll be looking at the earnings revision. And we think there's more to go for the multiple re-rating trade.
Now, a lot of people have been pointing, and you also are pointing to the fact that we have had this policy reversal in some senses when it does come to being the catalyst for this rally that we have been seeing. But is there not a concern that the tolerance for excessive cases is going to put a little bit of a pin in this exuberance that we're seeing? What are you thinking in terms of that? Do you think that there is going to be situations where we're going to continue to get a stop-start in terms of just how the settings are imposed?
Yeah, so that certainly has been one of the key investor concerns. What if there are millions of cases or even hundreds of thousands of deaths, right? Will that derail the rally? Will that, reverse the progress of reopening? But in fact, in the past couple of weeks, friends and family in Beijing, for example, many of them actually got infected, and it was more or less like flu-like symptoms. So in a way, some investors start to say maybe the best vaccine is Omicron itself, and maybe the best investor or the best education about COVID, long COVID side effects is getting infected or seeing people, friends and family getting infected and recover. And also with the reduced testing, with reduced focus on these COVID asymptomatic cases, we think the headline news may not be that scary after all.
Now, I've got to ask you,